Happy birthday to me. I was about to curse, but no. Okay, happy birthday to me! What needs to be done? What needs to be done? Asking. Okay, so okay, this is my favorite shirt. It's birthday boy and 5, so that means I'm just 5. Let's start with my gifts. Oh my god, guys. Wait lang, let's start muna with my flowers. These are from Archie and Dashel. Thank you, guys. Thank you, babies. And this is from Ate Janine. It's a pen. It has my name. And this one is from Jaida. Actually, nakita ko na ano ko na ito kanina, pero kasi i-film ko na lang din kasi ulit. Ting, ting, ting. Happy birthday to you. Okay, what is up with him? Wait. Okay. Next is, okay, someone sent me Harlan and Harlan. I don't know who, but whatever. This one is from Ali. May matcha pa to sa baba. Actually, nabawasan na siya. Pero, thank you, Ali. My number 1 girl. My angel baby, Alicia Nicole. Thank you. You never failed. See? She's always the number 1 na magbigay. Cookies and matcha for the birthday girl. Set. Lagi siyang number 1. Lagi siyang una talaga pag birthday ko. Thank you, Ali. Next is from Jayfany. Jayfany got me donuts. So you guys know how much I love donuts. All donuts. So I love everything donuts. And next is from Trisha. Oh my god. So naging thing namin ni Trisha sa Deuces yung ubi cheese puffs. Tapos ito, ang sarap niya. Para siyang same nung sa ano. Hindi ko alam kung ito ba yung kinukuhaan ng ano, ng Deuces. Pero almost same. And ang sarap. Thank you, Trisha. And mind you, nasa Australia si Trisha ngayon. Thank you, Trisha. I appreciate you so much. Next is... Wait lang. Pero nakita nyo na. Next is this. My Christy Nang. So actually, hinihan talaga ako nila mama ng wish list. Christy Nang. Guess what color? Syempre, green. It's so pretty. Kasya kaya yung laptop. Parang hindi. Pero okay lang. Because, excited na ako mag-Monday kasi kagalit ko na siya. Thank you, Mommy. This is from my mom. Tapos, wait. Next is Garmin. Sobrang hirap hanapin ito. Hinahanap ko, tapos si ate, nakakuha siya ng last one. I mean, like, last na lang to dito sa Metro. Tapos yung isa is nasa Cebu pa. Ate, thank you so much. Mas tagal ko nang gusto talaga itong Lily 2 Active. Oh my God. So, ayun, hindi ko alam kung mag-film pa ulit ako later, pero i-edit ko na nga lang ulit. So, guys, thank you. I feel so loved. Thank you. And also, kakatapos na pala namin kumain ng family. So, yeah, I love this day. Thank you!